Hi guys, here today we're at Huxley's Bird of Prey Centre situated near Horsham. We're showing you around this beautiful place which is full of birds of prey. Join me as we check it out. As Huxley's is based in Hillier's Garden Centre, you will need to walk through the garden centre till you reach Huxley's. The entrance fee is £11 for adults and £5 for children. As well as having birds of prey, Huxley's has some really cute meerkats here you can see, and they also have meerkat experiences you can do too. On show here you will see they also have flight and handling experiences with their barn owl, which starts from just £15 per person. You will find many unique birds of prey here from across the entire world. My favourite owls are probably definitely the Vuru eagle owl and the Uru owl, both very unique species that I have not seen before. The bald eagle you're about to see flying here is Dakota. I have slowed down some of the footage of her flying so you can see this unique bird of prey in flight. Continuing on, we pass the very beautiful Siberian eagle owl, the Eurasian eagle owl, snowy owl and northern crested karakar. Next off you'll see flying a Harris hawk, the Vuru eagle owl, golden eagle and the very fast falcons in flight. This eagle you see now is Cali, which is a white-tailed eagle, which you can find in the UK too. Passing through the rest of the centre, we pass other owls, eagles, falcons and birds of prey they have. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the Huxley's Bird of Prey Centre. That was really nice to see. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.